Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to introduce to you the newest innovation from TOTWOO. Specializes in connected jewelry for couples and family members and things like that. This is the Morse Love connected bracelet series. This is a whole new line for TOTWOO. Now, TOTWOO has been making connected bracelets for years. And what is a connected bracelet? What allows you and whoever has the other one to communicate to each other through the bracelet. Just by tapping one, it sends a message to the other. And you can have different taps to mean different things, and then you can also send different types of messages through the app as well. Very cool way to just stay connected to someone you care about or someone you love. Great for couples, great for newlyweds, great for even family members. Just a way to kind of throughout the day be able to give a little nudge, a little I love you, or a hug, or whatever the case may be. And you're going to see in the app you can set up different kinds of messages to mean different things. Really cool. Now, these new bracelets, the Morse Love bracelets, what does that mean, Morse Love? Well, the bracelet itself, on the bracelet in Morse code, is written out L-O-V-E, love. And that's what lights up. That Morse code symbol on the bracelet lights up. These are different than some of the previous bracelets that TOTWOO has made, in that they are slightly larger, they have a bigger battery, they have stronger LEDs, and they not only are they able to send messages, but you have a wider variety of colors. They're brighter. The battery is going to last a little longer because it's a bigger battery. The vibration is very strong, and all of those things are adjustable, which is really, really great. So basically, you have these bracelets. You have one. Your significant other has one. You connect it in the app. You have to have the app because that's how these communicate. They don't communicate directly to each other. They communicate to the app. And then your app sends a message to your loved one's app, and then their app sends the signal to the bracelet. That's how it works. And so you tap one, so I can tap one, and then tap it again, and now this one's going to light up because it's going to send a message to that one. And that's what's really cool. You're sitting at work, you think about your spouse, and you want to send them a quick message, you tap. And again, there are two different taps you can do that send two different messages. And then if you go into the app, there's lots of different messages you can send. And what happens is you decide what color means what. And so, and if you change it on one, it changes for both so that you're in sync. And once you've decided what colors are going to mean what to you, then when you send the tap, it sends that color. And so when the person receives the message on their bracelet, they know exactly what you're saying, what message you're sending. Inside the app, you can send different messages, and you can edit the meaning of those messages. Obviously, you just decide as a couple what color means what to you. And in the app, you can change that so that it matches what you've decided, which is great that you can completely customize it. Also inside the app, you can customize how your bracelet works as far as the intensity of the vibration, whether you want it to be high or low, and then the color when you tap it. So when I tap this one, it lights up orange. And that's because I tapped it, so I'm not sending a message, it's just letting me know that it got my tap. And that's because my favorite color is orange, so I set that to be my tap color. But what color it lights up when I send or get or receive a message is going to be based on the way we've set that up inside the app. So when you send a message, it lights up the color based on that. And also inside settings, you can customize if you want it to notify you when you get a phone call. You could have this notify you if you get a text message or a notification. Different ways you can set it up to use it, not just for sending messages back and forth, but also for practical daily use in connection with your phone, which is really great. Another feature that they have inside the app allows you to send what's called love letters. And you can decide what color your bracelet will light up when you receive a love letter. And what's a love letter? Well, you go in the app and you can send either a video or a message or a photo inside the TOTWOO app. And when you send that to your significant other or your family member, whoever has the other bracelet, they'll get a notification on their bracelet in the color letting them know, hey, you have a love letter. Then they can open up the app and go in and see what that is, what video or photo or message you sent them. So you have that available to you as well. But the most significant part of this is really just being able to easily send someone a message, just a notification, and especially they don't have to pull out their phone and look at it if it's just one of the preset messages that you've set up with the color. As soon as they see that color, they know. They see a red and they know that means you're saying I love you. Or you could set one to I'm safe or I've arrived. And then when you get to where you're going, you don't have to send a text message or call the person. You just do the taps that you've designated for that, or go in the app and send it, and it sends them a thing, and they look at their bracelet and they know, oh, he arrived there safely, or oh, she got where she was going, she's okay. So really a lot of different ways to use this, but it's just a really special way for people to stay connected. Distance is irrelevant with these. All that matters is that the bracelet has to be connected to a phone, and the phone has to be connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or data. That connection is important because that's how things are transferred. But it doesn't matter if you are in New York City in the US and your partner is in Hong Kong. It doesn't matter. As long as you both have the bracelets connected to your phone and the phone is connected to the internet, the message will get through. You can send a message from one to the other. They're very nice. The band is a nice rubber band. It's very comfortable. The clasp holds so it's not going to fall off your wrist. It also allows you to put little charms on there. If you want to put little charms on there, you can do that. It's very simple, very elegant. And again, on the face of the bracelet is love in Morse code. And then that's what lights up in the LEDs when you send or receive a message. Just very simple, beautiful device for couples who are in love, or for family members. Great if you want to, if you're a mom and you have a young daughter you want to keep in touch with, or send a message to when she's at school and let her know that you're thinking of her without having to pull out her phone because maybe she can't, she's in school, things like that. There's just so many really beautiful, loving ways you can use these bracelets. Really excellent connected bracelets from TOTWOO, the brand new Morse Love Bracelets. Excellent product, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below. But I did also do a setup video and an unboxing video, so you might want to check out those to get more information about how you set these up and how they work. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and favorite this playlist so you can keep up with all my product reviews. That is going to be it until next time. Be safe and be happy.